Guys, welcome to another video. It's a bit chilly, but the sun's out, so and
His new
my
tie.
latest addition.
Yay.
I never actually made it. I just bought the row bars.
Yeah.
So massive shout out to Dave and Mark who put it all together for me. So thank you guys. Right, let's see what we get today.
Typical, his
First
first
monkey
one.
bar of the day.
Monkey bar.
Cool.
And more monkey bars. Oh, it's two. I thought there was like one in across then.
One there.
Yeah, they're stinky.
One there. And we got a happy can.
Oh, right, yeah. Oh, you got a white clock, which has been cut. Ooh.
Scat bar and a
Ooh, they're a pair of pants.
pair of pants.
Eee.
Cool.
Cool. Oh, whatever.
Hey, first row sign.
Sign. The sign with no sign. Right, he's got his new toy. His first throw out with his new toy. Go on. Ooh. Ooh. Thought he was going to lose the whole lot then. Oh, is it going to go anything? Is it heavy?
It's not as heavy as I thought it was going to be. Bouncing over stuff.
I was going to say, you seem to be like wanting to hook on something. But nah, nothing. Oh, a screw. Oh, a ringy thing. And that thing.
Rubbish. Well, that's a hand wash, isn't it?
It's like a Sprite bottle thing. Do you think? I
Dunno.
don't know.
I was thinking walking stick at first.
I don't know.
Strange. Dunno. Comment below if you know what it is. Cool.
Yeah. I was thinking something. Oh, a sign. A sign, this time with a sign. What's it say?
Follow from traffics and a phone number.
Okay.
Don't need a phone number.
Oh, and pedestrians.
Get swish. Oh, pedestrian sign.
It's just said you nugget.
Did you?
Yeah.
I wasn't listening.
I know, as always.
Yeah.
Yeah. And is that another sign?
Yeah. I wonder if that's off the other one.
Huh? Could be. What's an arrow on it?
That's a bit too far gone.
Yeah, you can see the arrow.
Yeah.
And a monkey ball. And it's freezing. Ooh, what's that then? Ooh. Just those. A little
Looks
drawers,
like little drawers, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Like a till drawer.
Ooh.
Interesting. Probably not, but yeah.
Better look at home.
Yeah.
Ooh, that's a weird looking thing. Ooh,
No idea what that is till we clean it up. Looks like some sort of piping. That looks like it's got a nut round it.
oh, had knobs and broomsticks. Oh.
And drink. Oh wow, look at that.
What is it?
Don't know if it's got a handle on it.
Oh, yeah.
Cool. Doesn't look like any sort of shovel or anything.
I think it is.
No, don't really know. How are they? Thought it might have been a muckamore pin, but that's a bit big.
Yeah, it's a bit big.
It hasn't got a point on the bottom.
Well, that's a good
Just
point,
solid.
isn't it?
Yeah. No, it's not the point because you ain't got one.
I don't know. Oh, weird. Ooh. What is it? Is it an
It
umbrella?
looks like a jack in a bag.
A what?
A jack in a bag.
No, it's supposed to be Jack in a box.
Not when you got a car, it's not.
Oh, I see what you're saying. Ah,
There you go.
a Jack in a bag. Eee, and gunk in a bag. Okay. Well, that's a good find, isn't it?
Yeah. Let's get it swishing.
Is it broke or does it work all? Is it complete?
The only bit that's missing is the hook that you hook it onto there and then twiddle it, and it
And that
lifts your
comes
car
off.
off.
Okay.
Yeah. Nice
Might
little
be in
scissor
a,
jack.
there's a pocket, isn't it? Bag in there. No, probably might be in there. You might fish it out.
Yeah, it might be.
You never know.
Yeah, we'll find it.
And some sort of
It's like a
tubing.
leg, doesn't it? Looks like you push that in.
Yeah.
Yeah, look, that moves.
How does it?
Yeah, so you must have to push that in and extend it out, or put it in.
Okay.
I don't know, just guessing.
As we always do. Oh,
Yeah.
pretty hard.
Another piece of monkey pole.
Okay. What's that?
I don't know, I thought it was like a,
It's like a little chopper thing, isn't it?
yeah, some sort of axe head or something.
Yeah.
It's a bit small. And a happy can.
Oh,
Yeah.
as always.
Yeah.
Ooh.
It's got a 4 there. Oh, number 4.
Yeah.
Don't know what it is
Oh,
though.
what, like a wags or something? It's not mine, is it?
No.
Well,
Wait and see when we bash it.
yeah, but find out. Oh, I don't know.
Looks like a foot to me.
Why would you have a? I don't know. Is it for what?
Don't know.
Ooh, okay. Just be careful with that.
Happy
Oh,
can.
okay. Oh, is that glass?
That, it looks glass.
It does, doesn't it? The outer looks glass, and you're careful.
See, what else do you get sound effects?
You're going to cut your fingers off it now. Wait until you get home.
I want to know what it is.
Yeah, well, you will when you get home.
I want to know now.
You're such a spoiled brat.
Yeah. Don't forget it.
Look, you've got more tools to use when you get home.
Yeah. Alright then, we'll see what it is when we go.
He's doing his toll for once. Oh, a pen. Do you think it still works?
Oh, don't know.
We'll try
But
that
look.
when we get home.
Shiny.
That's beautiful.
Shiny.
I like that pen.
Yeah, you can have it.
Well, we'll clean it, disinfect it, dry it out, and then see if it works. Then I'll have it.
And then throw it in the bin because it don't work.
You never know. What have you got there? What's a handle of
Some
something,
sort
isn't
of
it?
handle. It's wooden.
And that bit's metal there.
Yeah. What's that?
Blobbers down.
Mm.
He's got some shiny. He's got some shiny. Let me see. Ooh.
Well, it's not going to be real because
No, but still pretty. Still shiny.
there we go.
Yeah. A ring.
Cool. just going to go in my good fine pocket.
Yeah, don't lose that.
Well, it's my coin pocket, really.
Coin pocket. Oh my goodness, look at all these.
Let's start that up.
Loads. What are they called? Rivets.
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 There's loads on there.
Yeah. And another load.
Not as many this time.
No.
Cool though. Look at that.
Look at all these.
It's all them rivets.
All just clumped together. Oh.
Wow, look at that.
Wow.
Do you know what it reminds me of?
What?
You know them cornflake cakes?
Yeah. Rice crispy cakes.
Yeah, oh, couldn't you just eat some of them now?
Mmm.
Oh yeah, that's making me hungry.
Don't take a lot, does it?
some
And he's got more. There's two rocks we got in there.
Yeah.
Well, they're my...
Rivet rock bottom with these phones. Oh, it's a riveting time though, really.
They're my moonstones, are they?
No, it's just a stone.
Mm. Okay. Oh, something different than them rivets.
Thanks, Paul. Still got rivets?
I've still got some.
I think they're rivets anyway, I'm sure.
Don't know. Look at the state of that. That's proper mankini.
Yeah, let's get this one.
Efuk.
Yeah.
Makes change from the spoons.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it does. Oh, should we go?
If we must.
Stay if you want.
No, you're right. Yeah, come on, let's go.
Go on.
Right, see you in a bit.
Boys, we are back home. I've set the stuff out, so let's get straight into it. Monkey poles.
Lots of monkey bowls.
Still don't know what that is.
No, that's weird, isn't it?
Really weird.
Blue.
That drawer thing fell apart.
So we don't really know what that was.
No, still no idea. What in heading?
Oh, they're having a mooch.
Red ones.
Sign.
Then we got the white lock. Boingy, boingy, boingy.
It's like one of them things you put downstairs.
Slinky.
That's the ones.
Yeah. That is a £4 weight.
Oh, well, yeah, it's a pound sign.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Then we got that wooden handle. I wonder if that's off like an umbrella or something.
Yeah. I don't know.
Don't know. It's
No,
got that
no,
sort
not
of-
one umbrella to have like a wooden handle, but... Oh, yeah, the big
Why wouldn't
ones do. Oh, shut up. Oh, look at them.
Look at all them are all
I'm going
still.
to keep that together.
Yeah, I presume these are rivets. I'm not too sure. They look like what do you call it, panels?
Okay. Oh, donkey.
You know, like roofing panels, corrugated sheeting.
Yeah.
They look like the sort of rivets for them.
And this leaf a doggy. And this sniff.
They're just everywhere. Yeah.
Oh, he booed him.
And then we've got happy cans, a lighter, that little handle thing.
Oh, that's handy.
Still don't know what it is. And then we've got Jack in the bag.
Jack in the bag.
We never did find the handle, did wind for that.
No.
Yeah. And
Never
then
mind. I'm a doggy. Who's been scared of the fireworks in your baby?
yeah,
Naughty fireworks.
that time of year again.
Yeah.
Then that is definitely like a bottom of a glass jar or
glass.
something.
And he got it
I'll
out.
pop that out. That just looks like a washer or a nut.
And it's just
And
stones.
it's full of stones. It's got stones in it.
Weird.
That's it.
Yeah.
So that was let down. And then we have the pen.
Yeah, we've got to clean that up and
That's
dry it
really
out.
cool, that does.
Yeah, I like that. I like the bling on that.
And then we've got the fork.
Eek.
And last but not least,
More bling. Bling bling.
little ring.
Yeah. Show the stone bit. Hold it up. There we go. Oh, pretty. Shiny.
Yeah. I mean, it's completely fake because it's stuck to the magnet.
Yeah, it's still pretty though.
Yeah, it's still cool.
Yeah, cool. There we go.
Where
Oh, you're giving it me?
you want it?
No.
Okay.
I want the real stuff, man.
Yeah, I bet you do. I'd like the money to pay for one and all.
Yeah, just find some.
Right, that wraps up today's little adventure. So thanks for watching. Don't forget, like and subscribe if you haven't already. That's the neighbour's dog. Not
Yeah.
mine too.
Yeah.
They're still sniffing.
Yeah.
Look, they're sniffing.
There they are. Look
I'm
around.
going to tidy up with all the stuff so I can do away.
They need a
chunk everywhere.
haircut.
I do need a haircut.
Yeah.
I need a haircut.
Oh, hello.
Look, it's growing.
It's not, oh,
I can feel hair. It doesn't feel right.
Yeah.
I like it.
Okay, you got more on your face, but go on.
Wow.
Why? Getting
She's
you
right
back.
Right, thanks for watching. Don't forget, like and subscribe if you haven't already, and ring that notification bell.
Ding dong.
Yep, ding dong. So, yeah, on that note, thanks for watching. Till the next adventure, take care, and we'll see you soon.